Welcome to Lee's Cajun Cuisine, a culinary gem nestled in the heart of Opelousas, Louisiana. If you're searching for authentic Cajun flavors and warm hospitality, look no further. Step inside and you'll be greeted by the tantalizing aroma of spices and a vibrant atmosphere that celebrates the rich heritage of Cajun culture. At Lee's, we take pride in serving up traditional Cajun recipes that have been passed down through generations. Our menu features a symphony of flavors, from the hearty gumbo and spicy crawfish étouffée to the savory jambalaya and irresistible breakfast brunch items. Our talented chefs use only the freshest, locally sourced ingredients to create dishes that are bursting with authentic Cajun taste. But don't just take our word for it. The smiles on our customers' faces speak volumes about the unforgettable dining experience we provide. Whether you're a local or a visitor, Lee's Cajun Cuisine is a must-visit destination for anyone seeking the true taste of Louisiana. Join us for an authentic culinary adventure you won't soon forget. So have you ever ate at Lee's? What was your favorite dish? Sound off in the comments and let us know. Don't forget to follow us for more Louisiana content.